Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And as I said earlier, we are continuing the series of delivery checks, inspection of material at sites when they are getting delivered, inspection of HVAC material. We have seen so far chillers and air handling units. In this video, we are going to talk about the cooling tower, the inspection of cooling tower at site. Let us see which are the aspects which will be checked. So first important aspect is the manufacturer. The approved manufacturer is delivering or not need to be checked. Second important thing is model number needs to be checked, right? Third is cooling tower type, whether it is open circuit or closed circuit needs to be checked. Number of fans in a cooling tower, what was there in the data sheet or drawing specification, how many are delivered at site. What are the fan types, whether AC fans or direct driven fans or belt driven fans. We have to check that. Drift emitter, important aspect to avoid the water particle to go away, whether drift emitter is supplied or not. Fills, the number of fills, the fill specifications are delivered or not. Pipe connections, the inlet and outlet connections or drain connections or the equalizer connections are as per drawing, as per specification or design or not. Test and warranty certificates of the entire cooling tower from the manufacturer has to be there. Is there any damage, exterior damage for any of the part? Because when the cooling tower is delivered, it is delivered in knockdown condition. We must see first of all parts are there. We must go through the BOM, the delivery challan, and each and every component and their quantity, check it, and then check for exterior damage. This will give you a clarity or satisfaction that whatever we ordered is received at site. So this is all about cooling tower. Thank you very much. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajaj.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.